Konnichiwa, minasan! Now here's the part 2 of our hiragana practice. Same sa part 1, ifa-flash ko sa screen ang kakikata or steps on writing each characters. So here's some trivia. Noong unang panahon daw, hiragana is known as women's writing kasi noong Heian period daw, bawal mag-aral ng Chinese characters ang mga babae. So they developed and popularized hiragana. Pero alam nyo ba na galing din sa Chinese characters ang hiragana? Pinasimplify lang nila ito. Siguro nabilang nyo na ilan lahat ang hiragana and siguro alam niyo na 46 lahat ang hiragana characters. But did you know na before World War II, mas marami pa yung hiragana na yan. Naging obsolete na lang as time goes by kasi siguro hindi masyadong ginagamit. Tsaka siguro masyado nang marami. So that's it for our hiragana practice. Abangan nyo na lang yung full video sa YouTube channel ko If you want the soft copy of my hiragana practice sheet, check nyo lang yung comment section. Yun lang. See you on katakana practice. Bye! Diyan